MCore is a highly individualized program. We really try to curate that and make it very individual and very actionable.
If you look at sort of the range of companies, the products they're making, some full-scale production may be 10 units a year. Other ones are going to be in the thousands. Their needs are very different, and this program can adapt to that because of the network and the experts we're willing to pull in.
We've built this program using a curriculum in place that addresses each of the needs along the way of manufacturing. My role in the program is to really support the startups day to day, so if they have urgent requests or they run into problems, can help them get connected with the right people.
The MCore program, by its very nature, is really going to help get manufacturing moving.